Honey, I love by Sarah. Honey, I love a whole lot of things. I love cherry because they are red and tasty good. I love to play with my friend because we have fun together. I love books because you can read about animals. I love to go to the swimming pool because I can swim a lot. But I do not like to watch scary movies. Honey, I love many things. This practice was made using Pixie 3.